Hi user, welcome to my channel Learning with Khatak. So this time we want to show that how to create an array of structure variable. So without wasting any time, look at this. This is structure point where I have declared two data members, that is x and y. And main function, I am going to create an array of structure variable. So if you look at this, okay, now if you look at this, this is an array of structure variable. Again, point is the name of structure, and then this is my variable name, but this time I am going to create an array of variable of 5 variables. So first I just want to access the two data members of structure variable, that is of the structure x and y. So again, array of 0.x is equal to 10, array of 0.y is equal to 20. So if I want to display them, then simply cout array 0.x and array 0.y. So if I run this program, so it will simply give me 10 and 20, because I have initialized here I have initialized the x data member with the value of 10 and y data member with the value of 20. Now I want to store the values of x and y for all the 5 variables that have created inside the array. So for this, what we have do, so cout using for loop to store values in str variable, means structure variable. So this is now cout enter values for x, means there are 5 variables. If you look at this, we have created an array of 5 structure variable. Each variable inside this array have contained two values, that is one for x and one for y. So we are going here, enter value for x. I simply run this loop for 5 times and then see an array of I dot x. It will simply input 5 values, and that will be stored in the x for each variable that is created in the main function. Similarly, enter value for y, int I is equal to 0 less than 5, and then array of I dot y. Now another 5 values will be stored inside the y for each variable of the structure. So now I want to display these variables. I want to display the values of these variables. The values of x and y is, again I'm going to use the for loop, and then array of I dot x and then array of I dot y. So if I run this program, simply look at this, 1020 my initialization, then using for loop to store values in structure variable. Enter value for x. Here I'm going to enter 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So these are the 5 values that are entered for the variable data member x, and now enter value for data member y. So again 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4 and 5, 5. Now look at this, the value of x and y data members, that is 2, 11, 3, 22, 4, 32 and so on. So this is very simple way to create array of structure variable, and then how to store values in the structure variable, and then how to print the structure variables using the data members. So thank you very much for watching with us. One request, simply, if you did not subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe this and share with your friends. Thank you very much.